Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I know I've got makeup only on one side of my face, and that's because I was teaching a workshop. I teach workshops pretty much every weekend. I announce them on my Instagram as well as in the community tab on here on my YouTube channel. So in case you would like to learn a specific look or techniques from me, keep an eye out and sign up the next time I do a workshop. So today's workshop was like a pretty glam look with a dark lip and glittery eye, false lashes, winged liner, and I feel very glam actually because it's been some time since I did like a full look. It's about almost 12 o'clock, 12 noon. We've not eaten today, so we're going to have a look and maybe order in. Sometimes on the weekends it's nice to order breakfast in, and so we're gonna have a look. James has just gone downstairs to pick up a few packages.
Man.
You're on camera.
Yeah.
That's a lot of boxes.
Yes, there is.
Will you unbox?
Yeah, I can unbox.
This needs to be documented. All my shopping has arrived. This is my first ever purchase from Everlane, and they are really nice, ethical and sustainable clothing brand. Do you want to open it?
Yeah, the package seems quite sustainable. They haven't even got like plastic tape on there.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. This is the brand that shows all the flow of commerce, what it takes to create the clothing, where it's made. You can actually see the factory where it's made.
Actually see the supply chain.
Yeah. I think this has come from the US.
It's come from customs, so yeah, I mean, it's come from abroad. There we go. There is a little bit of plastic inside it.
Oh, someone wants to be a part of this.
So it says this is a poly bag. Almost every manufactured good that ships from a factory comes in one. This one is made from recycled plastic. Please recycle it again.
Okay, so I've got, it's basically basics. I've just got t-shirts and I'm excited because I think these should be really comfortable. Got 4 of them, some neutrals and one bright. Which one is this?
This is Glossier.
Glossier, and it's not skincare or makeup.
Okay.
It is...
Hoodies?
Yes,
Yes,
it's the Glossier hoodie. I'm very excited about this. Do you remember I was saying I wanted a pink hoodie? Okay.
It's got a sticker there as well. That's the Glossier brand sticker.
Okay, I can't open it one-handed. I think I might put this on.
Huh.
Ah, I love the color.
Really suits you, this colour.
Yeah. It's just like the right pink. It's not too bright, not too
Almost
pale.
looks like the Supreme branding a little bit, doesn't it?
I love Glossier. This has come from Italy. It's from Kiko. I didn't realize they're going to ship from Italy because it's on the... This was the UK website and they had a lot of discounts.
Okay, so KikoCosmetics.com.
Yes.
Wow, there is a lot of products in there.
What is this?
Sorel.
Oh,
boots.
my shoes. So I bought 1 pair from these, and these are the best shoes I've ever worn.
They're
And
comfortable as well.
Yeah, and they were still having the sale, so I've got a second pair. And this is a black one. The first one was like a off-white. Yeah. Everything's come today all of a sudden. These are the Zara packages. Zara delivers really quickly, doesn't it?
Yeah, and they have really nice packaging.
I ordered this I think 2 days back.
Yeah.
In the night, that too.
Spot retail therapy during lockdown.
There's nothing to do.
See what I mean about the really nice Zara packaging?
Yeah, it's always very nice. Feel like you're opening a gift or something.
Yeah.
Ooh.
These
got
jogging bottoms to go with your hoodie.
yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Oh, they're so soft.
Yeah.
These are so comfortable. I've actually got the top for this as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not to match with this, although I can wear it with this. I've got a top for this.
And we're on to the last Zara package now.
Yeah. There's going to be Cult Beauty packages. One package later today.
Grand unveiling.
The grand unveiling.
PJs!
No!
No? Oh.
It's a shirt.
Looks like a PJ shirt. Like really comfortable, I mean, yeah?
It does. Also because it's oversized.
Yeah.
It is quite big. I didn't think it's going to be that big. There's a lot of pink.
Turtleneck top.
Turtleneck top, and this is a set.
Huh.
Really like this color.
The turtleneck.
Another turtleneck. You know, I ordered these.
Because I shrunk one of your...
You've shrunk many of my
in the wash.
in the wash.
Yeah, some more jumpers.
They're just like tops. I got these because I thought it's finally warming up.
Yeah.
But now it seems to be cold again.
When we say it's warming up, it's about 12 degrees.
I think this color just looks so fresh and nice. So the review said that this runs a bit big in terms of size. So I ordered a medium and I like it. It's quite long actually. So I've just folded it like that. I don't want it to be coming down all the way to my knees. The fabric feels really soft, it's comfortable. I didn't think my makeup really went with it, but James said like wear the hoodie. So I thought let's wear the hoodie. And I'm going to unbox the Kiko package now. had some food. We didn't end up ordering. We had some leftovers from dinner, so we thought it's better to use them rather than order something. Usually after a session I tend to remove my makeup, but I really like my look today, so I'm just going to finish my other eye, touch up my lip, and then let it stay like this today. So I've done my other eye. I've taken off the lashes because it's not very comfortable wearing lashes for the whole day, and I'm just going to do a touch up for my lip because it's worn off a bit on the inside because I had lunch, and then I am ready. Don't have much plans for this afternoon. I just want to relax. It's been a hectic week. I'm gonna watch a movie. We've already got Jurassic World playing in the living room, so I'm just gonna finish this and then go watch the movie. I really need to sort out my room, but I'm going to relax for a little bit. It's been a hectic morning, and tackle this a bit later in the afternoon or in the evening. I don't know how they're sleeping through this. Oh, he woke up when I spoke. It's okay, Manny, go back to sleep. We've had some more packages. We have a big order from HelloFresh.
So we decided to give HelloFresh a go. So we've got a week's worth of groceries in here with different recipes, and they're all vegetarian recipes. We're both quite excited about it. So
this is my first time with HelloFresh.
It is.
Yeah, okay, let's unbox. Let me see what it looks like.
Let me get it.
I've also got a Cult Beauty order and an ASOS order.
Okay, let's take a look what's inside the box. So what's really nice about HelloFresh is they give you the ingredients as well. So they give you recipe cards as well as the ingredients to cook the recipes, and it's really straightforward in terms of the recipe cards. So we've got a mushroom risotto, which I'm quite excited about actually.
I am as well.
A halloumi tray bake. So for anyone that doesn't know, halloumi's a little bit like paneer.
Yeah.
I don't think we quite know what the difference is yet.
No.
Well, I prefer halloumi. But we've got
I find a halloumi a bit salty.
salty.
Yeah. That's just because I'm used to paneer.
We've got the veggie tostadas. Refried bean and halloumi tacos.
It's a halloumi theme going on.
Yeah, and the protein-packed Moroccan spice soup.
I'm excited about this. I like soup, especially with like some kind of protein.
So what's really good about HelloFresh is within the recipe cards you've got a number on each of them, and then they also number each of these bags. So basically all the ingredients are together ready to use when you're ready to cook each particular recipe.
So that is 16. No,
Yeah.
it's 91. Isn't it?
16.
No, or 16.
16.
So
we've
that's
got
the
17.
veggie tostadas. That's 17. So that is this.
And then for anything that is like needs to be kept cold and the delivery, because clearly these get packed a different day, like the day before, and they need to keep refrigerated as they're moving through the logistics chain.
Does it have a cold pack?
Yeah, they put them all in there. So we've got I don't know, that looks like bacon. I don't know why we've got bacon lardons when we've asked for vegetarian, but that's the halloumi. We've got some more halloumi, some Greek yogurt, some sour cream, some cheese. I think that's all.
That's all.
Yeah. That's
Okay,
all
so
in there.
that's HelloFresh unboxing. Hi everyone, good morning. It is now Sunday, so I didn't end up finishing the vlog yesterday. We had what did we do yesterday? So I was watching the movie. James joined me, and then we had a really long family call with all my cousins on my mom's side. My brother's getting married, so we were all talking about the wedding, and it was really fun, and it went on for almost 4 hours. So but it was really nice to catch up with everyone. So my cousins are scattered all around the world, and it was nice for all of us to come together and just talk about a lot of random things, reminiscing of our childhood memories. So today is Sunday. We both really tired from the week, so we ended up waking up, going back to sleep, waking up, going back to sleep. And now I've just gotten ready for the day. I'm wearing one of my tops from my Zara haul yesterday, and I've just done my skincare. I'm really hungry because it's almost midday, and I'm going to make some sambar and rice today. I've got all my ingredients, and I'm really excited because it's been very long time since I've had like homemade sambar. So let's go to the kitchen and get started. Hi everyone, good morning. It's Monday morning, it's 8 o'clock. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Basically spent the entire evening watching Netflix. There was a new show called Behind Her Eyes, which I highly recommend. It's only 6 episodes, but it's pretty interesting. It starts off really slow, but it really picks up pace towards the end, and there's a big twist, so I'm not going to give away much more of it. But the show is called Behind Her Eyes. Now it's the start of a new week, Monday morning. It is 8 o'clock and I am working. I'm going to eat something in some time, and I thought I'll just wrap up the vlog so I can get to editing and post it for you all to watch. So I hope this weekend vlog was enjoyable for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon later in this week with another video. Bye.